State health officials are now saying there are currently 301 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in the state. There have been 2 deaths so far. 4 people are currently on ventilators. 12 people have recovered from the virus. Our Jay Burr was at the governor's news conference today where we learned much more. He joins us now with the very latest. Jay?
Yeah, guys, a lot coming from Governor Hutchinson's daily briefing. He did announce some relief is coming to healthcare workers in this battle. Today, he announced the State Board of Nurses granted 300 licenses to new nurses, and the State Board of Physicians granted 100 licenses, and they will jump right into the fray. The governor hopes this will alleviate some stresses on healthcare workers.
I've asked the medical board, and they responded very quickly to expedite the licensing of our healthcare workers. And so the medical board expedited emergency temporary licensure to medical residents who have completed their 1 year of internship.
The governor also announcing that the recommendation on limiting indoor social gatherings of 10 or more people will now turn into a directive. The governor is saying his office has received reports, and he's seen media reports on people not taking this as seriously as they should, and he says he is doing this now to avoid further, more drastic measures.
As you know, I do not want to go to a shelter-in-place environment. I do not want to shut down our manufacturing or our other than essential businesses. I don't want to go to that step. And so how do you avoid having to go those additional steps as we've seen in other states? And the answer is, let's all do our responsibility.
Also, unemployment issues are still being ironed out from an IT and hotline standpoint. The governor saying in the past 2 weeks, over 18,000 unemployment claims have been filed, with 700 of those coming Wednesday morning alone. And while the governor knows there are still delays, he asks people, hang in there.
And so obviously from that, people are getting through the system, but I urge those that are filing these claims to be patient, as I know you have been, because this volume of claims is unprecedented in our history.
And the governor also did sign that proclamation for the special session, which will start Thursday afternoon at 1 o'clock. From the state capitol, Jay Burr, KRK 4 News.